Lunar Glamping presents our custom geodesic dome lineup. This is the 10-meter Stargazer geodesic dome. It is your perfect solution for off-grid living in any climate. Inside, the Stargazer offers an apex of 5 meters. This height is ideal for creating a 2-level loft. The integrated AC system lets you create the optimal climate. The floor space is large enough to fit a full kitchen, with room to cook for the whole family. You get a unique opportunity to have floor-to-ceiling windows to enjoy the best of views while maintaining the structural durability. The dome's frame is made of galvanized steel that can withstand winds of up to 200 miles per hour. We engineer your dome with safety in mind. Lunar offers doors with biometric locks to combine elegance and security. We ensure that you are not just cozy, but protected. With the addition of Lunar's insulation, you can protect your dome from extreme conditions. The Stargazer is also fully equipped for a full bathroom, allowing you to enjoy warm showers, even in the most remote locations. This is the 10-meter Stargazer geodesic dome by Lunar Glamping. Your space with limitless possibilities.